You tap Buy Now on your smartphone to grab a new pair of running shoes. In that fraction of a second, you trigger a massive, invisible digital machine that spans global networks, warehouses, and data centers. This diagram clarifies a common misconception. E-business and e-commerce are different mechanisms separated by a strict boundary. The left side is e-business, internal plumbing, like inventory control. E-commerce happens on the right, crossing the firm's boundary to exchange money for goods with an external customer. Getting that checkout button to process a payment across the boundary is only step one. The real challenge is building the digital ecosystem required to drive a customer to that button in the first place. We build that ecosystem using performance marketing to generate traffic. We start with pull strategies, capturing users who already have high intent. When someone actively types "best running shoes" into a search engine, we want to pull them directly to our transaction node. That incoming search traffic splits into two tracks. You capture the organic traffic through search engine optimization, or SEO, and you capture the paid traffic by bidding on keywords through search engine advertising, or SEA. You also need to reach users who aren't actively searching. This requires push strategies. By integrating social media platforms and mobile marketing campaigns, you push targeted messages into a user's feed, driving new streams of traffic toward your store. You now have a network channeling thousands of potential buyers to your site. However, generating that traffic is useless if those users failed to complete the transaction. This brings us to conversion optimization. Your users hit the landing page, browse the products, and put $100 worth of items into their digital shopping cart. Then suddenly, they leave the site without paying. Think about the tools we just knocked out. If a customer abandons a $100 cart, what combination of our existing channels and data would you use to win them back? You loop them back in through retargeting. You deploy programmatic display ads to follow them across the web and trigger automated, data-driven follow-up messages via email or mobile messenger to remind them what they left behind. Solving cart abandonment at this scale forces a brand to cross a threshold. You move past basic digital advertising to deploy fully automated, data-driven marketing systems. To manage this multi-channel network, companies rely on big data. They implement artificial intelligence and machine learning layers that constantly monitor and process the millions of user actions happening across the entire ecosystem. This data allows for dynamic attribution. The AI tracks the entire journey, tracing a single user's winding path through multiple touchpoints. If they watch a video ad on Tuesday, click a social post on Thursday, and open an email on Friday, the system calculates exactly how much credit each step deserves for the final sale. The system then uses that detailed history for on-site personalization. When the user arrives at the store, the site dynamically alters its layout, product recommendations, and messaging to match that specific buyer's profile in real time. Modern digital marketing no longer relies on broad demographics. It uses data science to build algorithmic, individualized pathways designed to guide each specific user toward a purchase. When you successfully synchronize all of these systems, you achieve omni-channel retailing. This is the integration of every digital and social technology available to the brand. Let's look at it in action. A customer discovers your brand through earned social media. That interaction triggers a programmatic video ad days later. They click the ad, land on a personalized web page tailored to their preferences, and complete the purchase via a mobile app checkout. If we zoom all the way out, the entire architecture organizes into three clean rings. At the outer edge is data-driven automation. In the middle, performance marketing channels traffic inward. And at the exact center sits the e-commerce transaction itself. While the outer rings of data and marketing technology grow in complexity, the core objective remains simple: successfully crossing the boundary to exchange value.